Hey guys, welcome to AKV and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration, a manager is trying to decide which of the three mutually exclusive projects to be undertaken. Each of the projects could lead to a varying net profit, which are classified as outcome 1, 2 and 3. The manager has considered the following payoff table or matrix, a conditional profit table. Net profit if outcomes turn out to be. So guys, they have given three projects A, B and C, and then they have given the probabilities and the three outcome has been given. So for first possibility of outcome for A, B, C projects will be 50,000, 70,000 and 90,000. For second outcome will be 65,000, 60,000 and 80,000, and third outcome will be 80,000, 75,000 and 65,000. The respective probability for outcome 1 will be zero point 0.2 and outcome 2 0.6, and for outcome 3 it will be 0.2. Then they have required us to select which project or which project should be undertaken. So going ahead with the solution. So the project with highest EV, that is expected value of profit, would be chosen. So the project with the highest EV should be chosen. So among this statement we can conclude that it would be project C. For that computation I have made a table containing um, 5 columns and outcome, probability, and then projects E, EV of project A, EV of project B and EV of project C. So for that we have three outcomes are given and respective probability has been taken from the question, and then when we multiply the probability with the outcome we will get the EV, that is zero point 0.2 multiplied by 50,000 and 0.6 multiplied by 65,000 and zero point 0.2 multiplied by 80,000 will give you 10,000, 39,000 and 16,000. The same way for project B it will be 70,000 multiplied by zero point 0.2, 60,000 multiplied by 0.6 and 75,000 multiplied by 0.2. The same way for project C it will be 90,000 multiplied by 0.2, 80,000 multiplied by 0.6 and 65,000 multiplied by 0.2. And when we take the total it will be 65,000 and 65,000 and 77,000. So among by analyzing these, the most highest should be taken, therefore we can select project C as the best one. Okay, now we are going to compute the worst alternative. So for worst of the project selected, if there is a worst outcome, it would be first one it will be 50,000, and the second one it would be 60,000, and third one it will be 55,000, right? Yes. So the best outcome is selected is nothing but by taking, okay, so these are selected by choosing the lowest among the three alternatives. For A, project A, it would be the minimum or the least one will be 50,000. For project B it would be 60,000, and project C it would be 55,000. So it would be 55,000. So from among here we can choose that it would be 90,000, 80,000 and 55,000. Lowest among these three alternative is 55,000, so 55,000 should be chosen. And then the further information is given by choosing B, where a guaranteed profit of at least 50,000, which is more than we would get from the project A or C. If the worst outcome were occur for them, the decision would therefore to be chosen project. So guys, from this inference we can take that if there is a worst outcome, then it is better to choose the project B there, because among when we analyze these three options it is better, the more outcome for the worst scenario will be project B. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are clear with this section. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.